Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Elliot, aka Apartment Bartender and Food52's resident drink expert. In this video, we're going to be mixing up one of my favorite holiday cocktails, which is a bourbon cocoa cider with Basil Hayden's bourbon. With Basil Hayden's being a high rye bourbon, the light spice notes complement the other ingredients in this drink. And it's great for everybody, especially those new to drinking whiskey. Next up is crème de cacao, which adds some really nice chocolate notes to this cider recipe, and topped off with some aromatic bitters. And lastly, fresh homemade cider. For garnish, drop in an orange wedge and top with freshly grated chocolate. So here's your bourbon cocoa cider recipe with Basil Hayden's. You can find the full recipe at food52.com. Cheers and happy holidays.